Do 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 do.
Hey, how's it going? It's Nancy Gamon. Welcome. I've been having a great time creating artsy fartsy videos to share with you. I've been exploring techniques like fabric dyeing, hand embroidery, acrylic painting, textile art. There's so much going on my YouTube channel right now. But to get you started, here's a countdown to the top 5 most popular videos from season 1. Number 5, how to make ice-dyed blooms. Fold up a plain piece of fabric, cover it with ice, sprinkle on powdered dye, and unfold a beautiful dyed bloom. It's like magic, only better, because you get to dance while you're waiting. Number 4, Osmosis Dye. This is an experiment with a spring jacket soaking up liquid dye. It features an alien abduction and professional modeling. Number 3, hand embroidered jacket. This is a look at the improvisational hand stitching technique I use to embellish a plain black blazer. Number 2, how to make a flat iron travel case. It's padded and heat resistant, so you can put your styling iron in while it's still warm. And coming in at number 1, how to make kaleidoscope dies. This is an in-depth step-by-step tutorial going over the folding technique that I use to create these colorful mandalas. I talk all about the equipment and supplies needed so you can create your own fabulous dyed fabrics too. It's free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thanks to the generous financial support of my patrons. Season 2 officially starts in September, but there may be a few bonus videos released between now and then. I hope you'll subscribe today to get notification when new videos are available. As always, you're welcome to visit me at nancygamon.com, where you can shop handmade goodies or check out the current selection of workshops. I'll see you soon. Do 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 do.